because uti media ha Trinity Radio yene Elizabeth Amoa, advocate of special lady, and I na komo Canada bruch memo ono dia o lending enimdie aba wiase ntisabe unhu se odafidie nso fefefe yene no twetwe komo medin de nana akosi dwumo mene pastor Kenneth Apiaku bi e ba se yempoto obrofo mu a pastor ni lizi ebe ko brofo na me so mafa akan de no na sabe yenu abaye wafa ade ato no ho so se obebo dawuro na wa mayade a eha enipa wonom ade wonom ho enti afutuo we ya ede be se wo maame ye wo ba de a wo yire ye wo ba unu aba ye wo ba de a efa ho tie ebise de ma ene chichiru kro Dr. Kojo Kwaga ag na smo kan de se wo be ma de a wa wankwankwe na wo ba de a wa wo abusua eno nti moma yemisa lizi yeka endometriosis a eye den ya otumi boni ye eche me na yeka double wumbu na wo kan ho asem na ni gisam ne se amafo tie ni bebre e wo wiase na yensan ene no nwedwene bibi fa Prince Henry awade no eno na Pastor Kenneth Apiaku bi so ebebe mu nti komodie no ebeto staff from medical doctors bi so mo wiase afa na baby na omoso ababy ni prepare de mama ko Elizabeth Amoa, advocate of special lady. Lizzie, I want to say wonderful. I feel the BBM da ho kama. What say you can say special lady na any say. You know, be traces are obeboni yi akere ye no. Kan ho asem any double bonotofa na yenko ensem a eka ho so ehu bi.
Me da say. Said me kan last week, you know, special lady ejina ho Emma efa ye ma me hu ne enua ma mo a omu ewo yare bi say gynecological issues. It say endometriosis na so no fibroids, cysts, miscarriages, any infertility. Some man some fast yare ni mu nyina still now, especially the person who say omu special.
Okay. Good. Yankopon style pa. Say no endometriosis no abia na fe na no obi tie. Response sign na wunya na edia na beka fa ho wo ne tofa abomu.
Okay, endometriosis ni tie mu ni say emfan say oba awudie mu no line na eda ho emfan say da ho no call round no sa line no wo se moja na ewo mu no wo sa awudie ni endometriosis ni kwan fa so si ni say sa line no instead sa line ni wo awudie ni no emfan say wo abontin enti emoja no bi wo abontin na sa moja no etimi tira akofa oba ne bladder ana ne kidney ana ne liver ana ne other internal organs into no ewa bontin so eye adwuma to said ye ewo awudie nim into na obi a wo endometriosis no ni period ba wo say macro still na wonya pains.
Okay, yeah, that's it pa dwumade wa fato ho so ya baba wa na nka said wo so asua de na ka beto aso focus wo adisua na wasan de special advocate na say advocate of special lady ato ho so yi edian na ehye wo se yire ho ana ansa na no ma me fa kwanya na me salute Mr. Anochi Manu woye obimfu mu okuni ni a ono so wagidin ewo adikire mu na ono so waba ahoma so na Henry Osei Bonsu wonso waba dwumadie no eso yenua taka enso abaso yenua ba Elizabeth Amoa oye advocate of special lady na eketwen enkomo yi sabe oka bibi fa endometriosis ehon eno wa ba mu my Mr. dia na ehye wo se fasa de boy eko ewiase baabia
mi akasa na metiwo no yare na mabobo so bebre no mewo emu bebre na misa etna ase na mehu se baabia ye free sebe ye fa se Ghana kura ye free mu no san yare we mu no ma omo bi no aya so mo fere anomu suro se omo ka ho asem enti no me say because of my movie na I say yen kan say me ye living testimony ni chi no ye
wo di adanse say wonnim say dey sitie
my famu e na de me famu nyina echi no still na metimi awo e na at the same time no meti ase me ye madwuma ye living my life me masa yare no enha me nti ma yi me ho si say me hye me emani so enkran said your move for munina no ema omuma mu say e was say how mu
all right
nti enu ba say was me kan asem no
yade no eguso head pa na
ni ba chiwa eguso pa edoso
okay ma me nko Pastor Kenneth Apia Kubi ho na ka o video de amaye na mpempe ya minim se owia obetimi aye bibia amaye nsan kan dia ba platform so james so kan bibi Mr. Anochi Menu ose enukreni ye adwuma esombo pa nti yenko yanim ode abasobɔ kese ma Mr. Anochi Menu action na oye examiner na waboa ma adisua so atumpon wo Ghana pa migi se ani wa ukromu ababa wa won so obeto ade masua so lending na etwetwe enkomo wi amoase ababa wa video we video a hia me pa enti ma me ko prof na enti de enkomo ye dia bedu
na nyame adom me ho ye na answer
Yakobo adaroma na video ne yesa betima ka
oh yeah Yakobo ya adom ase bibia ko wie ya de ekoso life no yesa be kan bi na ye de ama platform
oh wonderful
yeah.
Yo na said Lizzie ebo de go for endometriosis ehui bibi ha beka
well, I think it's a good topic. And I believe that as she has already broken it down, I think as women being pressured things in our life, we always want to make sure that we try our best so that they will also live a good life, healthy life, and make sure that home is always safe and happy. And I believe that a family without a woman is always a problem, and a family with a sick woman is also something that I call discouragement. Because we get them to motivate us, we get them to, empower us, we get them to help us to have a good life. So with this kind of disease, as Lizzie is, breaking it down, I think as a person growing up and making sure the life is really wealthy and important, we will try our best to make sure that our family members, especially our mothers, will have this kind of knowledge and education to make sure that they also have a healthy life so that they can also have a good babies when they, intend to have one.
Pastor, Eda was papa said the pastor can say in fact here. No, also your baba one of us as we dia to so no idea be one am see dwumedie no sabi abrofo no bi etie bi ntie de be frefra twi ene brofo nyina bi dia fra ma ye Mr. Lizzie na ye hwe eye Elizabeth Amoa advocate of special lady ye nyante ye sa pese wo de sa da uboi ekọ schools mu na mpo watwa wani ahwe Africa titi wo Ghana ye be hu Joy FM ne ada social media no eso TV any stations FM na o so ada na pese we do any share school for especially secondary schools no eno edi entia
me pese me di mani ehye so no efise mi akasa me ko tama me start ewuhu sa yare ne symptoms na me sa start from me wo enfie ebe enum anansia na me ta complete se me yemu ye me ya na se wo chemu ayare bi se endometriosis no ni tutu mu se mani tai edu ba bi omubu omunsa which me fan say 11 12 13 ekwana na sa yare no start ha wo mu enti no sa maria no se mitimi ko ene omukodidi nkomo na me kire omo se o ebia ubu nsa se wase yo ya na utwahwe ana wani subru a e wo se utimi ka kire wo maame ana wo papa na panimu ane nete no mo started go hospital ni ehwehwe mu because se yare ni didi wo ho cha se de mu nim no aseme kan no etimi enya se ya wa wode nko ane se no etimi sei wonsono mpo etimi akwa wa adwen mu nyina ne wo moje mu etimi kun enu ntina e wo sasa Maria no mo wo sa enfie no e wo so mo hu yare no mo ti ase ese enye agro enye yare a o asa ofa eduru ebe yeden ebeko because anu eni eduru but o hwe wo hu su ya wo betimi enyi nkwantintintin emra yare no ha
okay yeah that was papa sa ya de ene eni dane ya de pro anasa so ne wo
yare no sometimes no estatia me fan say obi beka say ni dan ye no kwe sorry baako but the difference is say endometriosis no yawo no ya me ka say ya what say awo kra ye den account because etimi na wo ma wutimi buhwe
okay why ade bi ama ye ho adwiri ye wo ye obi anka wo de ade be hye wo ho e wo se Nyankopon aboa wo ebi to wo no na usa nyame ama wanyini asua ade aware awoba na wo bodawuru bi pese ne Pastor Kenneth Prof etwen komo wo anamo a wotu ni afode a wo de wo hu asi ho a wabọ se won so besom ewiase ne bia ka wo man no se de wo si hunu saa ade ya wayi na ye mu bi nso aka wonim de e wo de wo wanya hu na nso ye ka hye no pastor de ye nua ya yi wo twene de no ko betumi otumi ba US ko wiase ba bia na nso wo se mekọ Ghana na wan so akọ bodawuru ama abusuafo wo hati se ne hu no.
All right, and I thank you so much. I just want to say this one more time, that any person who has dedicated their time, their life and their knowledge and education to support people is just like Christ. Why? Because God sent his only begotten son to die for the world. So if someone stand to help the entire world, it's really a precious thing unto my heart. And let me tell you this, as we are always doing this on Trinity Radio, we try our best to spread the good news for people to hear the news as well. So as Sister Lizzie has taken it upon herself to go all the way to where she comes. So remember that I told you one more time in the last time that the first place that I want to do a big crusade is where I was born and raised. And by God's grace, it's going to happen because I want to help my Ghanaians to find the right way. So as Sister Lizzie has also dedicated her time, her life, her ability to support Ghana in that way, I'm pretty excited. And I will take it a time to pray for her because things like this, the devil will never want to like it to share. So I'll continue to pray for her, what she is trying to do. And I know that as she have taken this step, God will help her and make her successful.
I wish I was a pastor. I was still be with one among said Elizabeth Amwa, advocate of specialty. Na used to and such will be now. They used to baby and ever was Miss Anya be Sumas as you saw be with Yama. My young cow said, Jumedia, when I would cry as my 8 to 5 years singing, I said, the Pabadi woman, Trinity Radio Canada, or Bois and Yemina, a fan from him. Now, we are more citizens diaspora, and so come on. Now, a cousin, we are more citizens diaspora, so say as me, and you may jam and Zinua can India, or to say, almost so air soy as and I made me 80 air call. Lizzie, never come away home.
Oh, we are massive for the middle be I say. I want to medicia me for our work. I say, and no, you may have medium penny for mutume for doctors penny for we say Apomu, Dr. Sapon, we top gynecologists and doctors. A biwo abuchi maimu, our munina mufu yamwase, and a penny for just a me body in a doors, nana friend poor munina, or munina to me for every day, our you mo see was say mo bia crome de yombabu ami me aminu apenyi Razak assistant chairman of say every friend is o nyina e kwa bia akonani enti no da we amasifo nyina ase na me do mofutuo ene empaibo mo bo me de bia phone calls amenya efu yomo ho
na onyu Razak ada na Yakobon man itimi bibia no mpese obeken ya na so disisi obi no say
sir, no, Ghana ni when you move too much compared to me. That
okay, young Pushamo. My name Missa Wena, young Quayanim. And this Abbey no, Yadia no, who say it to me the new who are a yapa and say it me the woba, it me the Adunimu say a bar, Sana and no, Uhuno, Adena Becama among folk, and Diana, a dead deal was said, Oban said, Wumu. Or call endometriosis no.
Endometriosis no. The can say, who will be ask the mechanic beginning and say, Busumi be a period ba a bayo ya to said ya work out. And non to chin, so woman sample grass so now pains in this starting. Pain be a mechanic, I a chronic pain. No, there be a wabre, there be a winnie subrew. But you can see back one. I mean, fancy war any a war, or ba untimi wo, and I saw fair through an aqualana saying, and I say, oh, what now, colana, if be still Nina, a sign say, or bano or endometriosis, and I said, a mechanic, a threat me call mujim, a call wild dream, and I said, a wild woman, a call mujim, a you woo any inquansem. Yes, you were maybe yet.
Oh, sorry. Se metieni ye dia na madwen ya ne se endometriosis nko aye obi a adi ni dam so na onim se eye bia
the brain nim and am the one make no yeah and correct because
yeah that's kasa
mental yes
that's
yeah because the say omu say me medie ni say time aye hu no na afa kofa me bladder ho that's the time I me hu ye no into omu Yehuning tem omo boa say enkomi other organs ho e mani bi wo ha ye behu na afa blood na afa omo nsu no che say na say omo yemu niem na inti no e possible say bebre mbehu na ye too late obi kura timi wu anoba bi wo nyem na akra ne no nsu owu yes onyem ana obayifo bi na bi na ye no ba no yin say for all you know that is the cause.
Eno na ye bisa ono afa na nyame adom oso di abemu amaye na ye bisa se say etie de wo kan de betimi aba say ebi bua mama fo mintimi mu me koyi amu say ebetimi aba say na ebia wo ye akosa ohaw no nyasa good yakubon shira ayehwe ma ba mu a wode amaye ya ma menko na ye ne Pastor Kenneth prof ensu nim komutiawa na ye nsamra ho na wasam na amaye wo ha na afi yasan akọ Prince Henry asem no ho na yaketwe nkomo se utie dwumadie ya aha Trinity Radio Canada and I war Brono I also know ha Efraha Brampton 16 Havana Crescent Edipa Yene Kitchen and Komo Enuaba Elizabeth Amoa or a lawyer and I'm Mrenimini Mrachafo Mreshiafo Nanso Abafemo say on so beboa emi wiase ati Yaria if any endometriosis no enka na or advocate of special lady ono na ene bon komo asam no akakoma enti Pastor Kenneth and so will come University Alberta ono ena ono so eboaye na yene na akitwen komo. So
all right, thank you so much. I think so far I should say we've learned something new. And I remember when I was in school, when you guys were doing this topic, I learned something amazing about it, and I realized that it's not only like young people that go through that problem. I realized that even those who are old can also go through that problem, because as far as you go through that process of menstruation and get that pain, it is something that I have to pay very good attention to. And once again, I want to thank God for, allowing us to have this conversation with Sister Lizzie. And once again, I want to thank Sister Lizzie for her time. Not every single person will dedicate their life to support women in this age, because everyone want to strive to get their own stuff in this world. So, I just want to say thanks to him. It's really a great opportunity to get, such a great woman to share that idea with us, because, being actually a student of law and being a lawyer, it's something totally out of health issues, but she have done, such a great job dedicating her life and making sure that people out there will also know about this disease and also be very careful of it. So thanks to you one more time.
Pastor Nyankopon Stapa, Pastor Kenneth Pioku bi dia basoboa na on the odem bo ode Nyankopon say Yenuaba Elizabeth Amoa, advocate of special lady. What didn't bre ato ho na wo ye dwuma kakaka say yes ye dia basobo man pa. Ye ka say Tommy Thompson abba dwumadie nso a ohwe ye pa. Tommy Nyankopon Stapa Queen Hetty ohene ba ahofe Japan ma ono nso abaso. Ono de me ma me wi ye wa ma yi 1 2 wa mo mensa ti say matese ka bi beba. On first canon concoma omo na on famine somebody no emre me Queen Hetty or Hineba a Japoma yakun shapa. And praying ye beko Prince Henry aware gia e baso ewo ohima krumu adisua bi wom ye pese ye fa bi free mu sabi ko mu skapa e se mu siye no boko kama edian ne kana kuma ma sabi obo fada de fa enka se bibini broni pa no eware no na adien na oba no kwa na ewo no ho minimi se yenua Lizzie wo nimdie ewo niam se ho ken enso research kakra waye obeda na di na ye Ghana fo nso ya fa disua bi ewom ti se de ye be ma Lizzie asame ayi nyina app ewo endometriosis no ene double mu de na ya ntache no ye be sa ka ho asem na ye nko we se so fi de bre na eye adwuma ti adwumi kakra ansa ye ba. Yes, you are pin as I say Elizabeth Amoa Lizzie was say about Tampa mama sre was say man nyina special say how we have to awom epra ekum essay na so de da so wo say woka na wo hu ne ntem a doctorfo ebetimi aboa ama enipa bi etimi akonti ma menko London ohima krum na ni Lizzie egwetwe nkomo na won sami we no app ansana we achi no yakọ Prince Henry and then you are Lizzie, over to you.
Said I want to say, Obibia, or sa gynecological issues, and they said the Abu Bosson, said the monument fibros and go, you were endometriosis, you were cyst, you were infertility, Bibia, how we are finished with health mono, and find show. Shana one full say, Obi best run, Obi back as aden na wo ton ase wo yare da bi yesi se wo ton wo yare na wonya anu ayede anu eduro nti na se wo busa mu na wo di hu nkomo na wo ne doctor se so edidi nkomo na wo hu ekwan abefa so ahwe wo hu so ye na chese yare no anka nkofa yare wo hu bi ana anye ewu anye den ama wo.
Okay. Professor Kaka nyaka. Ye pese ye dia sida kese ma wo na ade a waye ne so pa se de ye to bo ba ko akum ma mi ye pese ye be kat no se be ya US no nso enya connection ni yinti ye pese ye di bibi to aso enche kra na ye ti se ohima krum awade kese ye ba ma wiase nyina amanfo de wo mani gi ehwe hunu yi na nke binum susu se awade no kra no sabio Prince enya de akọ be ware oba no is interruption na odo bebrebe be mu ni ade but determination be man se oba na obe ware no na wohwe se be wo man ko mu sika pa na omo ebre omo ase na ware ne ye simple na ehoso ye din no afutu be na wo de na be ka se wo twa fu na we de wa wutu mu ohima kru tanye bia no wan ko hokra na uhunu de ekoso de na be ka ni wi pastor so de history kakra bi amaye wo ho
Media me over Canada, me ma dream ya me say, obi beka say aden or worry sa abariano. Usha abariano research a me ya me who fa sa abariano worry in on life and they say, onye ni pati piano worry no. Fine, ebia ye can royalty away no your royal way with sikachi no but obana nkasa no oyobi an na adwuma don when na akoma ye because to from the age of 11 crowd with metro letter eko ka say aden na TV station bi omu ye advert na the first advert no as a dim mine emma inti sa akoda won fie edu baako 11 isn't otimi eye sa wo de adwin de onyi na obeye odi nyin wayi na koma ene ne time say otutu kwan kwa Africa Europe bi aboa ahiafo ene omo aboa inti no boy na aka say hu sa me ma dwemu ni say ohu sa de no hye oba ni mu na oye oba obetimi aye den oyire obetimi aye maame obetimi aye oba o de ne na ma obeka say meyiri ni inti o se anyine hu say enya by luck there is nothing like obi ye lucky and wenya obi papa bi ne natena na wenya ye fa ne say as adiche bi ananyame ehira no eye de wo ye ena onyankopon ye den ofaso ehira
Asana pastor bebe mu no mami mi sa we hwe de na afutu be na de be ma sabe ebo ha no obi ko hia ba bi yesi we wo ofri esabe esirem we ofri yaji we ofri asantimem as bi aka hwe combination na nanka efa omo ware a nanka odo ewo ho anika ewo ho nanso akanfo to da bi aka de ntitimu pa eba enso ka hwe anka omo ware a bi kwa ko ware bitimi akwanimu akodura chiri pa na ya hwe na ejai ye be hya mani pa na kwa ware obi obehwe no ntokwa bretia wana ware no agu ema epie mu na omo aye basa so wohwe de Prince ana won watu ya se de ka wo kan wohwem de asabe enka oba no mfiri adehibusua pa mu tihwe ni wona nso ohunu bibi wo mu nti wo se me ware no o ware yeso aye fa me wiase nyina hunu afutu be na de maganafo
we de wafa wa sheda pa mi kun ya asen na apese odi bem because we
de odi asabe be sha wo fa o
anyway
wona me bon come so nya fa ho
we corona boss no minti ana sheda ka asase
I see when the pastor na bet no charge me
yes they say me feel say baby obi free fa ho so obeti na ware ni nyina ye wase ene ye ka ne say enti ase ene hia because as the wo kind obetimi aware ukromu ni minke obaye obasabasa ba choko ware obi ponye ukromu ni a obaye den ono betena abutiremu ni ye fa ne say ni yie mu enti ne gina mu mienu ne so ena wo say afo sunya abotre ne hu say ye se kan twa ye ho a ye nyina moja ba ako na ye den eba enti wo say ye be minded ni etimi sua ada culture fa na ada people ni eti wo mo ase de kwan ye bia o mo fa so eye emo ni ye bi instead say be jump ni akon ya jeje san krofo no ti me sa na
ana ye say akanfo kura ka say abo no didi ko ba bia na sum ebedwo no ye nyina so ye ganafo o mampanin ba ko ni di ye nyina so ye je say sa na pese o kire nyakupu nshira se lizi abie bibie ni so am ye hu se de oba no be ma hu bibi wu mu ye be san ba lizi ho ma menko pastor ho na ono so bibi kakra a waye afa ababa wa no ho no ono so what is our no asem at
According again, was it Prof is not married, but he always talked about
oh yeah.
Anyway, yeah, so I think it was a trending issue going on last week. It was a Saturday like this, last 2 weeks precisely. No, last week.
Yeah.
And I think it was just a good time in Windsor in UK. And in that great chapel, you could see a lot of glimpses and a lot of stories. Like people were just reminiscing and telling a lot of things about this woman that, getting married to such I would say, a handsome prince. And looking at the history, of course, the matter of this beautiful woman, it's an African American. And of course, if we say an African American, it's not anywhere. It's just like from the continent of Africa. And sometimes it's just like when Obama became a president, they were just trying to find where he comes from. So no matter who you are, as soon as you get to a higher stage where some certain position, people will try to find out where you are coming from. Now, as our sister said, every single person wants the best woman for themselves when they're looking for a wife. And of course, looking at the story, she is a great actress, from a show called Suit. And of course, if you read her story, she was originally called Rachel Megan, and then her last name. And in that story, they got to realize that she's a great actress. Looking at the story that she told about her relationship with her dad, it is also an inspiration to her. So she got to learn from her, her mistakes. She got to learn from her struggles. She got to learn from the chances that she got to meet with people in her life. So as I always say, that no matter who you are, as soon as you start to begin your life, you have to make sure that you live a good life and respect the people you meet, because they will have influence in your life in future. Who knows? Because I remember when they were sharing the story about the palace, like 15 years ago, she took a picture, they posted it, and now she is going to live in the palace. So let's say that she went to the palace and misbehaved. That's the whole sort of nasty stuff.
Simplicity bay, and a woman or modesty. Send us to by nature, not to say.
Well, yeah, I think it's a good question, and I think that's what every single person is talking about, especially we Adventists.
Yeah.
When we saw the royal wedding, someone was just doing a comparison between the church and Jesus Christ. So we believe that Jesus Christ is, of course, the beautiful and the handsome groom, which is going to come for the bride, which is the church. And the preparation that we are waiting for him is to live a good life and have a pure, appearance unto him.
Ebi no cancer or ban or class or answer any caps in Yama BB. Yes, a beer may person the castle one more ye be any yard. None of the men mean to me who set the sun and Tessa. Lizzie, so what I mentioned now, send me simplicity, send us who our dear no modesty, just send us who.
Maybe that or me no chemistry now. I sense is real love, a true love, and she doesn't need makeup or fake things. A best show now who offer to the world, because Prince, in my opinion, I know Prince has been with most of the beautiful women, on this earth. But enya won fe no share maybe who ni say akumemu any a dream. Makeup no there, it was just a bonus. And girl nankasa even before our you'll be a natural. What are showing the pictures or you'll be makeup too much. Or a simple person into the personality any who when a wedding she didn't try to be somebody else. She was just true to herself and who she was and what she stands for. And to me, this is what he felt for her, and yet the amount for who know.
Let's take this opportunity. Mammy first I we miss up same way. We shall gonna form my baby and as a moon but it seems that be a person yet makeups. Obi the Facebook say we are so tired of Ghanaians every day makeups. How can you? But not mesre, but actually no came to my mind to say the all can addition you because of how natural beauty. But I said Obi a beauty or no ye be ananya sana say.
Makeup no dear. Ye be sometimes it be the contouring which try see but I think like once a while occasional we are okay. But yet, anyone say yet the be an away because me cram your about me to be who girls in the on Instagram. I mean, who are first time is the same way on me who you know sometimes make up yet, but also we know we tone it down kakra will be able natural beauty so.
Okay. Wait, the Shiafo Fred, that basso na yaka wasem actually yanka so be a nyai, but said the mobile noa, it be a ancient for how ne, it be a my share or baba way near brandy, we are Jessica for say it to a some camo, or moody beer, any dear, on the Mawari and Yamwa next week, and so become once and yeah, say Lizzie Yano Cosiada, Kenyan Mimi Yana Cosiada, Naka pasta wahe, Naka bibia, I kama, Sabi, a year like Ufi. We are young couple Canada and our now also show us young punch down there. We to four upper justice young punch down. Yes, media say, you know what, the shots you crash and no food to net. Yamida be do baby. Into once to never basuni who any anti. And now you can airport every year. Aha, a Trinity Radio Canada near war. And prepare the call London or him crew. Yene lawyer Elizabeth Amoa, advocate of special lady on Pesame Council of Amaka. Miana Wafas no. Or what they will say by Ariano, a bit to me, a 2 bit to me extra. The emergency or the course school. Kalani Bokrana, and the done it me Posana, a leaded Napo baby, a one for him. There's all came and say a baby, be a bebwa. Trinity Radio, a quick medi, as Sansa, and so, and we are more saying Kabumu, we are saying, and I will be, you know, yes, so yet a check put off, and we are more citizens diaspora. And an opening part of Buame, Emma, Yanino, Edi, Medi, if any PP, Pastor, Prof. Kenneth appear could be or no be brofo nanka is this opportunity be as or camera shows no do na or yellow brofo and them so any tree na pastor so far brofo no nyame adma afofo no obeda ne dane no enti sabe de ye ma lizi aka na semo etwa to kra na answer na ma me ko pastor Kenneth wona onka na sem just 1 minute na yenko lizi wo so 1 minute na yenfa dwumade no emre ni say aye de amanfo e ba so de ebre no igusu ni lizi bubo no se brepam ni betimi ahwe abani mu kakra se be ya Ghana for do na betimi eti say ye time no e na ebinom e ya de ba still no betimi asan kwa kwhwe Trinity Radio uko lizi page wo so obenya barema ba na akosi dwumon so benya sa na pastor Kenneth su page